I think it's called Tacoma. I usually use a Tacoma font when I'm creating something like a headline like this. Okay, so I think that's how you spell it. All right, yeah, that's it. All right, and so I bold this out, and I make it red. Red is the color that you want this to be, and you want to probably do something like 20, yeah, something like that. Okay, and just make it pretty even, make it look pretty good. All right. Former COO came out of retirement to market online using multi-million-dollar strategies that even a beginner, I'll say a beginner can look like a pro with cutting-edge technology. Okay, it's really not the greatest copy, but you want to make it look somewhat even here, so that it'll look pretty good on the page. All right, so there's different strategies surrounding how to make this look how it should look, but you just want to make it look even. I like it looking like this because it just kind of, to me, it kind of looks like an arrow, kind of leading people down to what the next thing is that they need to be reading. So it kind of points for me. All right, so quotation marks, always good, always good. Red, each beginning letter is capitalized, as you see here, always good. The sentence is not, you're not really making so much sense with sentence or syntax or grammar per se. You don't really want to pay too much attention to that, because grammar, you're not trying to be a college professor here, a college student. Okay, that's not what you're doing. But you want to do something like that, and you can always take a look at it and just kind of see what your page is looking like. Just take a second to pull it up just to see what your page is looking like and how you're building upon it. Okay, alrighty. So now then you get your next headline. All right, what am I doing? Get your next headline, and I'm gonna go. Let's get rid of that. So I just created something here, and you're doing this with me. The only thing that's different is I'm not typing. All right, so get this here in the center, spread it out, spread it out, spread it out. And if you notice, this program works very similar to something like Word. It looks pretty much the same as Word does, and that's the beauty of this, because it's very simple to do, and it looks like Word, and it's very, your learning curve is very, very easy. Okay, and I'll make that bold. Let's give this maybe like a 14 also. Okay, there you go. Alright, I may want to squeeze this in a little bit more, make it a little bit more even like that. Okay, so again, I'm kind of leading people to what the next thing. Learn the exact techniques the big boys use to make huge profits online, with the secret tips taught by 6 and 7 figure earners. When used properly, will yield a windfall income effect that can make dreams come true. Get my boot camp video that will unlock secrets of the 7-figure income. Okay, again, not the greatest copy in the world, but you kind of get. I want you to kind of get the idea of where I'm going with this. All right. I don't know why this is all uneven, but you get the idea. All right. So we got your headline, you got your second headline here, we got just this other headline, and everything is kind of guiding down and leading down. All right. Now, the next thing that I would usually do is put a video here. Now, I want to kind of show you some things about the video. They have a button over here for YouTube that you can just put the video in here. Okay, and you go select your video, like right here. You select your video and it'll put it in here. I want to show you something that's interesting. You can also use the HTML, all right, and you can put your code in, your video code in there also. I'm not going to say which one's easier, but I just know that one, I like using the HTML code one because it just allows me to have a better, ease of functioning, and I can do some editing and things like that. Again, I don't know HTML code, but I'm going to do this with you, and I'm going to try something while I'm on this phone with you. I'm on the phone, on the online with you right now. I'm going to try to create this. The thing that you want to do is you want to make this video come open as soon as people click on this page. You want it to play automatically. All right. So I'm going to show you just a little bit of code here. All right. Let me show you this code. There's some code that you want to use. First and foremost, you go to YouTube and you pick out your video. All right. And why don't we do that? Let's do that. Okay. Let's go to YouTube. And we're going to just pick any video. When you see this, I'm going to pick a video from one of mine. And let's see. This is Tim Ferriss breakdancing. If you got the 4-hour work week, this is pretty funny. Wow, I really want to watch this. This is the author of the 4-hour work week, but that's pretty funny. Anyway, I'm going to watch that later. But you see up here, this is the actual code. All right, this is the actual code for the video, and actually it ends right here. It's when the actual code ends right here. It actually is www.youtube.com/ and then this is the code right here. Okay, so if you were to pick up that code, this is where you would go to get it. Okay, or you can go right down here, and this is actually embed code, an embedded code, like if you're going to embed it onto your YouTube account. But the reason why I'm not using it like this is because I want to show you something in the code to get it to play automatically when somebody comes to your page. Okay, that is pretty funny. I'm going to watch that later on. Tim Ferriss. So if you haven't gotten a 40-hour work week, the 4-hour work week, 40-hour work week. Who wants to work 40 hours? 4-hour work week. You need to get that. Okay. So let me show you how to get that video embedded and also allow you to have it play automatically. And this is good because you see right here it says show related videos. Okay, I'm going to uncheck that because I don't want it to show related videos. I just wanted to show my video and that's it. But there's also a code for that you can do it. And see right here embedded in this code right here, I'm showing you something. Let me put it HTTP this and autoplay equals 1 and REL equals 0. That is the code. Okay, you're looking at the whole code right there. That'll 1 get it to play automatically, and 2 not show related videos. So if I wasn't using the YouTube feature that Blue Voda has, I could actually paste this code as a HTML and use it like that. And also, if I want to get all the borders, this is the reason why I use the HTML code, because I want my borders to show around it. Okay, I want my borders to show around it. And what do I mean? I'll show you. Well, first and foremost, if you were to paste this much that I have here, right up in here, you'd be good to go. It'll show your video just the way you want it with no related videos. Okay. So let me close this. Let me cut this out of here, and I'm going to bring up my HTML code. All right. And let me show you. So I'm going to copy the whole code from embed. And you know how I found this? You actually can Google it. Google how to embed, how to make your video play automatically when embedded into, when put on a page. Something to that effect. How to make your video play automatically and don't play related videos. Something like that. That's how I found the actual code. But you got it here. You can pause it and you can actually type it out. So let me get rid of that. So I'm gonna show you why I like it. Okay, let's go here. See the border that's around here?